It won't be the last time they're here. There's not a 100% chance that they come back. There's a ton. Let's go! His friend's dead as shit, I think. What's up, guys? We're back. Right now I'm heading over to Cullen's house because it is late goose season. Apparently Cullen said he's been checking out this pond and these geese are roosting there every night. So it's about 3 o'clock right now and I'm heading down to Cullen's so we can load up and load out and we will go check out that pond. So I'll see you when I'm at Cullen's. Come on, come check out my crib. Yo, MTV Cribs, open up, open up. Beautiful view. Looking right into the sun. Yeah, I can see. I got a bunch of thorns in my fingers and shit. It's pretty insane though. Alright, now we wait. Chillin' time. Good stuff. He had to do the ritual, so now they're coming. See, if Greg was here, we could have had the duck house, which probably would have been pretty sweet. It would have took away a lot of hassle, but
it's all about the blood, sweat, and tears that got us here.
Yeah, you live and you learn, you know what I mean?
I feel like we say that a lot.
We put a lot of effort in to kill 0 geese all the time, so.
Today's gonna be different.
Yeah. I got a good feeling about it. Hopefully they come back.
That'd be cool. It's lonely. It's lonely without them
Our
here.
decoys are very lonely, so.
Yeah.
Hopefully when they do come, that sun is gone.
Good practice swing.
Yeah, you know, you gotta get your practice reps in when you can. I mean, when I go to do that in go time, when the geese come, I'm probably just gonna topple this whole thing.
Yeah, probably.
But you live and you learn.
But then it's time to leave, so. Time to sit back, relax, and
it looks
sweat.
Good. And jerk off.
Yeah.
You seriously gotta be shitting me. Who the hell's fishing in February?
So all this work we just did?
Me and my dad killed a goose when a guy was fishing here once.
Oh, yeah?
If anything, it might give him a little confidence, and it'll force him on this side.
Yeah.
But I hate to break it to you, buddy. If geese are flying over there, I'm letting them have it.
Where are the gooses? Where are the gooses?
What a fucking bitch.
Of course he's gonna go land on the side.
Turned right at the last second, dude. You might have seen us.
This prick.
Dude, I thought that single was gonna come in here to land with the other ones, dude. It's a single. If those dudes weren't over there, I probably could have blasted them right there, dude. I didn't want to shoot towards them. Well, at least if more show up, we got a fucking live decoy pretty much.
Yeah, but if they land over there, we're fucked.
He was cupped up and shit, and then he fucking turned. Did you get that on video?
No, I didn't want to move and spook him.
Oh, yeah, guys, go that way. Don't go down the trails. Get him up. Get him up, get him up, get him up.
Maybe they're gonna help us.
I doubt it.
Well,
it's not dark yet, and there's one.
come on, bring some friends.
He was confused as shit.
Yeah, he was.
I'm like, standing there, I'm like, ain't no way this motherfucker's flying right back at me, bro. He did. And I missed him. Can't kill shit. I don't know how I didn't hit him. I seen feathers fly, I think, on that first one. He was 100% convinced these decoys were real, though. He was like, I'm trying to get back in here.
Yo, let me slide, let me slide.
I don't know how I didn't fucking smoke the shit out of him.
Yeah, for real.
Need to do some clay pigeon shooting, apparently.
Now we wait again.
I wanna know why they keep turning at the last minute, dude. That was a little far.
Another one coming in.
Load up, load up, load up, load up, load up. We're just dumping in right now. Dude, what the fuck is their problem? Come on. Let's go!
Get my shells out.
Is he coming back for round 2?
Got one.
Dude.
Oh, come on, right over us.
He's going down.
Let's go!
He's crippled as shit, though.
Oh, he's still moving. He's still moving.
Yeah.
Got shells in there?
Yeah.
Where's he going?
He crashed down on the other side. Shit. Okay, pack up, pack up, pack up.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Okay. I'll come back. His friend's dead as shit, I think. That other one's, I'm pretty sure, stone cold dead, but... Okay. Wish me luck.
Alright, good luck.
That's why, if you want, just start tearing shit down. If he's not dead, you don't have no way to kill him.
Smack on my oar.
You could.
Alright, Godspeed. Hey. Godspeed. Third time really was a charm.
Yeah, right.
How'd it go out there?
Good. The one made me feel really bad. But...
You had to put it down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's missing half of his skull now.
Oh my god. That's cool. But hey, we got 2.
I didn't even check. This one doesn't have any bands.
No bling.
No. It's a big boy though.
Make a nice roast goose with that, John. He said it's a big boy.
That's a tank.
Moment of silence.
Rest in peace, Craig.
They are. Oh yeah.
Both of them aren't bad.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, man.
Like I said, third time's a charm.
All right, well that was goose hunting. Looks like Colin's hunch was right.
We got 2. Got 2 Jones. Gonna make up some nice goose jerky. Gonna try. Thanks for watching.
That was it.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you comment down below.
What's your favorite part was? Me missing all the geese or me actually hitting the geese?
Or me building the fort.
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Yep.
I showed my ass in my underwear.
Yep.
Also a good one. And then subscribe. And if you think somebody you might know would like this, send it their way. Because we got 50 for you, and we're looking to grow it a little bit bigger.
To 100.
So
100 by the end of this year.
Oh, we'll crush that.
Yeah. So get on it.
Yeah, get your friends and family on this. See, they don't know what they're missing right now. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week.
Peace.